Welcome to our ice maker showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular countertop ice makers, the SMUG and the EUHOMY. We'll dive into their features, ice production capabilities, and pricing to see which one stands out for your home or party needs. Let's get started. The SMUG Countertop Ice Maker produces bullet-shaped ice, which is great for drinks and cocktails. On the other hand, the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker creates soft, chewable nugget ice, which many people prefer for its texture and ability to absorb flavors. This difference in ice type can significantly affect your drinking experience. When it comes to ice production, the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker has the upper hand, producing up to 35 pounds of ice in 24 hours compared to the SMUG's 26.5 pounds. This means if you're hosting a large gathering or need ice for multiple drinks, the EUHOMY might be the better choice. Price is always a crucial factor. The SMUG Countertop Ice Maker is priced at $69.99, making it a budget-friendly option for those who need a portable ice maker. In contrast, the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker is priced at $189.99, reflecting its higher production capacity and the premium nugget ice it produces. Depending on your budget and needs, this could be a significant deciding factor. In conclusion, both the SMUG and EUHOMY ice makers have their strengths. If you value portability and cost-effectiveness, the SMUG is an excellent choice. However, if you prefer the chewable nugget ice and higher production capacity, the EUHOMY is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.